Hello family, welcome to our channel. Thank you for joining us. Today I'm gonna show you how to use aloe vera for moisturizing and detangling your baby's hair and achieve this shiny, soft and healthy look in your baby's hair. So let's get started. First things first, the first thing I do is preparing my aloe vera by cutting it into small pieces by first cutting its sides and washing it in lukewarm water. After washing it, I have to cut it into small pieces and make sure that the aloe vera is very well cleaned because I'm going to use it in the hair of the baby. The second thing I'll do is scooping the jelly out of aloe vera and carefully using a spoon and scooping it to the small bowl that I'm going to use. You have to make sure that you're using a sharp knife and make sure that it doesn't cut your hands. And then I go on with scooping the jelly slowly and carefully, making sure that I don't waste any of my juice because this is a valuable item. The second thing that I do is just transfer the jelly in that small other bowl, and I go into it by just like cutting it into small pieces and squeezing the juice out. Here at this point, some people tend to use a blender, but I don't use a blender because I wanted to just experiment it using a spoon. This is what I have just got out of squeezing it using a spoon on a small bowl, and this is the kind of juice that I have. This is the hair that I'm going to work on. You can see it's dry, brittle and dirty hair. That really, these are the braids that this girl has been wearing for the last 2 weeks. So her hair is very dry, is messy, is brittle, is dirty. It's like it it has everything bad in it. So I first have to undo her braids and prepare it for the aloe vera. You can see here I am done with preparing her hair and doing her braids, and I go into it by sectioning small sections, ready to use the aloe vera gel on it. And I start by applying small amounts of aloe vera juice in her hair, making sure that the aloe vera juice penetrates deeply into her hair. I go on by making sure that aloe vera juice is into her hair, and I start by combing it. Now you can see her hair has become a little bit manageable. It's no longer brittle, it's no longer very dry because I have moisturized it. And I go ahead to comb it, making sure that aloe vera enters into her hair and goes to her scalp. I go ahead and continue to comb it as aloe vera is going deep into her scalp. After that, I have to tie this plastic bag on her head and let the aloe vera sit in her hair for about 30 minutes, and then it's time to wash it out. That I did, a new video showing you how to do that will be up on this channel a few days to come. And yeah, her hair now looks very shiny, very soft, very moisturized, and it is ready and looks really beautiful. So I will go into it and start preparing it to make the braids in her hair as I oil it using the other aloe vera avocado oil that I did, which really makes her hair manageable, moisturized. As you can see from the video, her hair really now looks it looks very healthy and clean. And I'll start making her braids.